I want pink. I need any kind of blue right now. With the fish, the blue. This one, anything with a little bit of blue to it. Right now, it's been working really good. That thing is.
June 18th, Truman Lake. We got Beetle, where's Renee, Gary out here. We're going to troll for some crappie this morning and see how we do it. Pretty breezy out here, so we're going to be fighting the wind while we're trolling. We're going to try to troll for some crappie. Stay tuned. How fast you want to go, Beetle?
1.6. I want to get these out here first. You need to get out to about 20, 25 to 26.
That's 25, 26 meters. These reels show meters instead of feet. So we're looking at 75 to 80 feet, I believe, if my calculation is half correct. So we'll probably run between 75 and 100 feet behind the boat. You just cast those out wherever they go and leave them at that.
As far as I can, that's it.
Okay.
Because nobody's got anything on yet. Here. What, do you got one left?
Oh, very good. There's good.
No, go on. Pierce your ear.
No, I just got my hair. The wind hit it right at the same time I put it on. Do you want more out, or are you okay with what you got?
All these funky looking ones out. We have 27 foot. We got fish on the grass. Somebody ought to catch something. We probably got fish on, don't even know it. Trying some new baits. Now these here, we're only going to go 15 or 20 on these. You turn them on yet? Backlash already. We speed up, okay, we do.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 poles out. 10 poles out on Beetle's boat, where we only run 5 on mine. He runs Garmin equipment, live scope fish finder, Garmin trolling motor. Weather says it's 8-mile-an-hour wind today. So we're trolling in an 8-mile-an-hour wind. Nice white caps for 8 mile an hour.
Feel like we're on the ocean.
New location. Didn't have a lot of luck at the first one. In fact, didn't have any luck. It was getting real windy. Moving now the wind a little bit. Gonna try a new location. That was a professional fisherman. Just cast that pole. If you want to fish with him, contact Beetle Bailey Fishing Guide Service. Oh, we got our first fish already. We ain't even got the poles out. There we go. Looks like it'll be a keeper. It looks like it's on yellow and pink. Trolling on Truman Lake. We're just north of the Highway 7 bridge, I believe it is. There you go. Thank you, sir. First one of the day.
God damn.
Number 2.
It's like a whale.
There we go.
That looks like a good one to throw back.
And that was on a shad looking, blue and silver. Just a tiny one.
Conservation.
It's going back. Oh, it was going back. There we go.
Now take that pole by the outside and move it to the inside there on that one.
I will take the outside pole, move it in, and put the one we just caught fish on and put it on the outside. 12 poles, it could be a mess. Oh, must be a good one. They're getting a net. Keeper? All right, number 2 keeper, number 3 fish in the boat. This looks like it's on a pink. Just drop the lines in and they're gonna let them run out to 75 to 100 feet depending on pole position, which hopefully will run them 15 to 20 foot deep at 1.8 mile an hour, 1.5 to 1.8 mile an hour. You see it skating across the back.
Look at his mouth. His mouth's real wide and big.
Chain and spot did us good.
Got it. On.
There we go.
Come on. $1 there.
Is that a solid pink one?
Yep.
Solid pink Bandit 300 again.
You said you want to go with 15?
Yeah.
And quick release.
We have it. That one's go. That's kind of tiny.
Pink and yellow.
Real slow, get it up in the air. Probably gonna just be the bait.
It's got a good bend on it.
Close, you don't keep yanking, so you don't eat it. Got one? Oh, there's a little baby one on there. Okay, stop right there. Just hold up. Oh, you caught a catfish. Oh, he's gonna leave. Oh, he caught him on the back side.
Snagged him.
You fishing with that or what? Need pliers? Good. Huh? Is that catfish or is that a big crappie?
Oh, that's a good crappie.
I don't know what big he is. Looks like he's going to be close.
Gonna measure him.
Oh, he's a little over 9. better keep a couple. Oh, no, he's still there. Well, may not be much.
Just a dink.
Tiger. Yeah.
It's on the yellow tiger, yellow purple tiger.
Do we need the net?
Oh, come on, flop. I hate it when it's flop. Barely hooked. Last coming in, you didn't extend the deal out. Oh, you got me. Oh, no. God damn it. I'm trying to fish you.
That Scott's got to get out of the way, though.
Oh. I'll slow the way up. Lars, you didn't put it back.
Just tiny, bright yellow, kind of tiger stripe lure.
Coming up a ways, though. Yeah, sometimes you can tell they're on there, and sometimes you can't. He's there. There you go. You watch that line, and that line will start coming in.
That look like it'll be a keeper. Right at the bottom of the boat.
How you do it? About time you come.
It's like orange and black on that one. Too small.
I'm gonna bitch because I'm not gonna do it.
Real. Keep it stuck out that direction. Just keep it up. Go easy. You don't need to force it down. Get him up on the top. Got him. It was out there a mile. Oh yeah.
Good God.
Watch your other lines now. You got them?
You're
I can't
good.
even see
You're
it.
good. You're good.
No,
Come on the other side. This side. There you go. There you go. Reel. What's up? No. The old orange and black.
Here, you want this?
That's 2 in a row on the orange and black. Like another dinker.
Alright, reel in.
Wind's playing havoc with us.
What? Reel in.
Having
Stay
to
on
reel
that side.
poles in.
Told you there's fish there. It'd be nice if we had one on every pole. The whale. Ah, dang, I'm barely making it.
We're not catching no big ones today, but we're getting a few
Before you hit the up.
getting a few
It don't
keepers.
take much with those things. Oh, it like barely touches it. There you
Yeah, we might not have to measure him. Yellow and pink. Reeling in, we got one.
go.
Like
be doing loopy-doos. I'll lose him. Oh, Jesus. Pickle fish.
So I said he can stay at deep.
Watch.
Little channel cat.
There you go. Now you're awesome. That's slack to it. Renee.
What?
Her fault.
I think I got that one on camera good.
Didn't do it.
Jesus.
Another catfish.
There's something going on with this one.
You can tell by the words, Beetle, how he feels about getting catfish while trolling.
Oh, we broke the cove spell. Finally caught a crappie in there, didn't we?
Yep. On black and yellow.
Right now. I can't tell where I'm at here. I caught a fish.
First one we've got in a while. Pink and black. Gonna measure. Oh, that's well done.
There's a baby.
Here.
Another pink and chartreuse.